All right, teams, you've done some great work. I've walked around. I didn't get any Post-its on my skirt as I was walking around. I checked. I'll help you guys check for rogue Post-its as we're all leaving. But it could be a banner of pride for us today. Did anybody feel like this was a little bit difficult, challenging, messy? Yeah. Can I feel that? Yeah? Well, thank you for working through it with us because we know it can be. We want to hear from you how the experience went. So what we're going to ask is, for each group, we've already outlined, could you tell us, number one, who was the audience in your scenario? So everybody had a different scenario. So who were you thinking of? Who were your learners? How did you go about tagging your content? What did that look like for your group? What were the challenges? And then three, thinking about that audience, what are they going to feel about this new organization, do you think? What are some things that they might like about it? And what are some things that they might find challenging? Who wants to go first? If you have content like that, then WordPress is perfect because it really started as a way to serve bloggers. So it's very easy to tag and categorize your content. But that's not the only thing it's used for anymore and hasn't been for a while. It powers some of the most visited websites on the internet. And because it's open source, so we'll talk about this a little bit, because anyone can go download from WordPress.org that software and it's completely open, not proprietary, that means anybody can build with it. So say you and I had a plugin we wanted to develop. We wanted to make it easier for WordPress sites to be able to interact with Facebook. And we wanted WordPress sites to pull in Facebook information from Facebook profiles. We can go look at the WordPress software and then code a plugin that works well with it. And then we can decide to go sell that plugin. Our plugins don't have to be open source, but the WordPress.org software is. So that means anybody can build the kind of tools that you would add on to the website that might be free or might be for purchase. So because of that, we're seeing things like e-commerce sites and membership sites really popular on WordPress because people are building these really powerful plugins that go on top of a WordPress site. You still get the easy-to-use WordPress driver or engine, but now you have these plugins to enhance the functionality. Something to remember, it's what's called a CMS. Most of us in the room are familiar with the term LMS, right? So a learning management system. WordPress is called a content management system. And there are other CMS tools out there, like Drupal or Joomla. But WordPress is the most popular because it's really easy to use.